was never your partner. I'm just your wife. Kaya hindi mo ako nire-respeto.
Because nobody has the right to hurt me this way. Hurt?
Hindi mo alam kung anong sinasabi mo, Jerry, dahil hindi mo alam kung gaano mo ako nasaktan. Huwag mong ipamukha sa akin ang mga sakripisyo mo dahil hindi mo alam kung gaano ako naghirap bago ako nakarating sa kinaroroonan ko ngayon. Dahil pinabayaan mo ako.
So stop acting like you know my pain. Stop acting like you own it.
Mahal mo ba ako dahil kailangan mo ko? O kailangan mo ko kaya mahal mo ko?
I didn't even believe in forever, too. But I think I found forever in you.
I deserved an explanation. I deserved an acceptable reason.
Iyan po ay ilan lamang sa mga linya at mga pelikula na aking isinulat at idinirect na nagustuhan at minahal ng maraming manonood. At ngayon naman po ay tunay na mga eksena sa aking buhay ang ating pag-uusapan at tatalakayin dito sa Corina Interviews.
Ano yan yan ang isa sa mga linyang tumatak sa kamalayang Pilipino sa isa sa mga pelikula niya. Kung paano siya naging award-winning director, screenplay writer at producer, lahat ng linya ng kanyang pelikula trending. The one and the only direct, Inang Olivia Lamasan is in the house! Ayan! Direk, kumusta ka na?
Okay na ako, Corinne. Corinne, it's been a while.
It's been a while.
Alam niyo ho, seatmate ko to sa ABS-CBN production. That was in 1986.
1986.
Pero,
tabi-tabi pa.
Estudyante kita sa Marinol College.
Correct! Prof, kumusta na ang mga buhay-buhay?
Okay naman. I'm retired now. It's been 3 years.
There's no such thing as retirement.
Nag-retire ako sa corporate, di ba? I've been with ABS for almost 40 years as part of the executive. As creative head of Star Cinema. And then when Malu retired, I assumed the managing director post.
Pag sinabi po ninyong Olive Lamasan sa ABS-CBN noon, talagang alam nila kung sino siya. Pero ano nga ba talaga ang ginagawa ng isang creative head, right?
As creative head, kasi sa'yo dumadaan. Number one, dumadaan lahat sa'yo ang mga concepts, scripts, so for your assessment and for your and eventually for your approval. Green light mo siya, okay na to.
So kailangan mong basahin yung buong script.
Hindi lang basahin, Corinne. You are with the writers and the director in the entire process of creating and developing the material. Yun. So, grabe yan. So, okay lang. But at that time, Star Cinema was producing 12 to 20 movies a year. So, every week. So, nagba-brainstorm ka rin, etc., etc. And as creative head, in charge ka rin of training and mentoring future creatives, no? Brainstormers until they become writers, head writers, creative head.